Ever thought bonsai trees were too expensive or too hard to care for? Think again. Today we're talking about 5 low-cost bonsai trees you can start growing right now, perfect for beginners. Whether you're on a budget or just getting started, these trees are hardy, forgiving, and won't break the bank. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our beginner-friendly bonsai tips from the Bonsai Barn. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps us grow this community. First up, why are low-cost bonsai trees perfect for beginners? Starting your bonsai journey doesn't have to cost a fortune. Affordable options can teach you the basics of bonsai tree care without the fear of ruining an expensive tree. Plus, these trees are hardy and easy to maintain, so they're perfect for practicing bonsai pruning techniques, watering tips, and even experimenting with soil requirements. All right, let's get to the list. 1. Juniper bonsai. Junipers are super forgiving and can thrive outdoors with minimal care. They're great for practicing bonsai styling techniques like wiring and pruning, plus they look amazing year-round. 2. Ficus bonsai. If you're looking for an indoor bonsai tree, Ficus is your best friend. It's resilient, handles lower light conditions, and teaches you how to care for bonsai trees indoors. 3. Chinese elm. This tree is perfect for beginners because it grows fast and adapts well to pruning and shaping. Want to test your bonsai skills? The Chinese elm is up for the challenge. 4. Jade bonsai, Portulacaria afra. Also known as the money tree, jade bonsai is low maintenance and drought resistant, ideal for anyone who might forget to water once in a while. 5. Boxwood bonsai. Boxwood trees are affordable and can be styled into various bonsai shapes. They're a great introduction to bonsai aesthetics and root pruning techniques. Which of these trees sounds like the best fit for you? Or do you already have a favorite bonsai tree? Drop it in the comments. Now, to make these trees thrive, here are a few beginner bonsai tips. Watering. Make sure to water deeply but avoid overwatering. Follow basic bonsai watering tips and check the soil regularly. Soil. Use a well-draining bonsai mix. Cheap soil often leads to root problems. Light and humidity. Outdoor bonsai like junipers and boxwood need plenty of sunlight, while ficus thrives indoors with bright indirect light. Remember, even affordable bonsai trees need care to stay healthy. Watch for signs of unhealthy bonsai, like yellowing leaves or poor growth. And take action early. Whether it's adjusting watering habits or repotting into fresh soil, small changes can make a big difference in your bonsai's health. Another tip? Don't forget to fertilize. Using a basic bonsai fertilization guide will help your tree grow strong and vibrant, even if it's just starting out. And if pests ever show up, like aphids or spider mites, act quickly with a safe solution to prevent damage. What's your go-to care tip for beginner bonsai trees? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to dive deeper into bonsai care, check out the videos linked on screen for more beginner-friendly tips, like choosing the perfect soil or mastering pruning techniques. Don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. We'd love to have you along for the journey. See you in the next video.